Call wind. Got lots of wind.
What's going on? The what? It feels like smoke.
Oh.
Oh, it's, who knows? Country guy.
It's a Carolina.
I don't know. I can't tell you what the weather is. No, it's smoky.
Yes, there's a fire, I guess, in the swamps. I don't know.
All fires.
Lots of fires.
Is it clean?
Oh, no, that's good. I think the roll tape.
Yes, that's good. Want to put one like this?
Yeah.
And one on the bottom? That's how you on the bottom?
I would.
Yeah.
Yes. We don't want to lose the $12.
Yeah. What the hell, we don't need any more tape.
That's what I figured.
The $12 camera must
Why is
stay
it only
on.
$12?
I don't know.
Alright, so what? See,
Oh,
that tape's already fallen off. That's scary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Run a piece along. Yeah, like that.
But under here.
Yeah, but then it would be looking up at the sky. I guess I could fly invert it.
Yeah.
You know, oh, I could, well, they'd be looking up.
Hey, we could. Why don't you just wrap it around like this?
No.
Yeah.
I don't
We
think
can
that's
do
a good
that.
idea. That
Come
doesn't
on.
sound like a good idea.
It does not.
Yeah, I think I need that aileron.
Picky.
I'm suggesting they just wrap the tape around here.
Why not? It still moves.
Just not as much.
Exactly. You don't want to have any trouble movement on
I don't know. Let's give it a shot.
Is it really expendable?
Honestly, yes.
Maybe
The gig,
expendable.
the micro gig cost, the chip in it costs more than the camera.
That's the way you trust the tape? I wouldn't lie.
I don't either, but
Well, must have been a cheap
alright, so we won't do too many snaps or anything.
No.
We won't try to fling it off the
But
wing.
yeah, don't try to do that.
Just gentle, get some pictures.
Yeah, get some
like
pictures.
Monday sight.
Yeah, here you go.
I was going to say Sunday.
I saw something cool yesterday, guys.
Oh yeah. She's
Stayed up there
good.
fine.
Yeah, dude. I don't want to ruin the finish on the plane.
Yeah, man, God, we can't mess up the finish on this plane. This fine aircraft.